What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your very first time joining me. My name is Jessica. I'm a mother as well as a makeup lover, of course. So I'm really excited for today's video because you guys, I have actually been getting quite a few DMs regarding being sent PR, which who am I, bitch? Who am I? And one of the people who actually reached out to me was the Balm Cosmetics, and I remember back in the day they were like the cult classic favorites. Like, there was so many things about them that I've heard so many good things about. So I'm really glad to have received these products here today. I use this on my eyes as well as my face, and then I did have swatches of all of the Meet Matte Hues lip collection. It's out of the box because I just finished using it. So I'm actually gonna put it all back into the box too because they are minis. Super cute. Look how cute these are. Oh, shit. I'm going to be playing with the Balmbina eyeshadow palette, face palette today. So I feel like you could get really a lot of use out of this palette. So I'm so grateful that they sent this my way because, girl. Yeah. So yeah, so if you are curious to see what products the Balm sent me, and if you're curious to see them in action and you want to see how I created all this, then you already know what to do. Please keep on watching. Okay, so if you seen in my last video, I actually was sent a package by the Balm Cosmetics. So they sent this, the Balmbina palette, which I'm assuming, right, that it's just products out of all of their different palettes put together into one. I'm gonna start by taking this brown shade right there. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So I'm really just going to pick this product up on this Morphe M573 brush. And I'm gonna keep this in a just round shape. I just read that. Boyfriends aren't the only thing we recycle. Please recycle this packaging. Good one. Anyways, next I'm going to take this shade right here, which is just a nice brown shade. Bronzer Contour Shadow from the Bronzilla palette. So I'm going to take some of this. And I'm just going to start buffing this brown out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to take a little bit of this cream color mixed in with the brown, just to make it even lighter, to give me just kind of another transition color, just really smooth this out and make it really blend in to the face makeup that I'm going to put on here in a little bit. It's just like that. Super simple, super easy. Now I'm going to go back through those colors again and just really build them up until I'm happy with the depth and the blend and all that good stuff. Now I'm going to take some of my P. Louise blank canvas. Can you tell my son got into it? Goodness gracious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of that blank canvas and I'm just going to pat it down in just the general lid area. Then I'm going to take another like brush And I'm going to tap this and blend it out. I don't want to like cut my crease with like a really harsh cut. I kind of just want like a soft little lid moment. I'm going to take some more of the dark brown shade and just kind of reapply it just a little bit right here. Just kind of stamp it. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the cream shade just on a packing brush. And I'm going to put it right there. Then I'm going to take this gold shade down here, which is called Mail Order. It should be too light, I mean too dark to use as a highlighter for me, but I am going to just tap that right there. Just like that. Before I add my wing liner, so this is the gold that I took on my outer corner, so I'm going to take this bright gold, which is called Let's Bolt. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. Liner and mascara. So they did send over their Schwing black liquid eyeliner. At those eyes, yes baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do a little wing. Pray for me, I haven't done a wing in a minute. If I try to go any bigger than that, I'm gonna fuck it up. So. Okay, I like it. It dries down like matte black instead of like shiny black. So I really like that. Really like that. The applicator is really, really nice. So now I need to try to match the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply all of my base makeup until this point, and then that way, you know, skip all the boring stuff, get right to the good stuff. So I will be right back. So I just went ahead and I applied all of my like cream products, foundation, concealer, cream contour, and cream blush. I went in with my Made by Mitchell blush in the shade Melon Sorbet, and then I decided to amp it up a little bit with the P. Louise. This is her eyeshadow base in Pretentious Peach. Yes, this is going into my cream shadow. Nope. So I'm going to take the brown bronzer shade and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of the cream shade. I'm just going to take it on just this kind of big fluffy brush. I want to make sure that I'm mixing these a little bit because I think that it would be a bit too dark if I just went in with the bronzer. Yeah, like look at how nice and natural that looks. I'm also going to contour my nose with this. So let's see. I'll do the same thing into the bronzer and into the cream shadow shade, the creamy skin tone shade. It's called Fog, by the way. If you're a Balm Cosmetics fan, if you know what palette that's from, it's also in this palette. Okay, so my nose looks snatched as thick. Now I'm going to take this blush shade. So my last video I mixed them, which was really cute, but I think just this one would also look really cute. So what I like to use powder blush for, if I'm like not wearing any makeup, then I'll wear it by itself and have it really just like live its best life. But when I'm in full glam, I kind of just like to use my powder blushes. It's just kind of like a topper. It's really amp up and bring the color back into my face. Made by Mitchell's blushes are really pigmented, so I don't always need to add more powder blush, but I really like to. It's more of a personal preference. So if you don't like this much blush, this is when I'm living my best life. You know what too? I could actually use this brown, would be perfect for my eyebrows too. It's like my same shade. This palette could get lots of uses, baby. Get all the uses out of it. So now I'm gonna take the Let's Bolt highlighter and I'm gonna highlight my cheeks. I was worried that it was gonna be too dark for my skin, that it was gonna leave a shadow or like a cast. But I'd say no, it doesn't leave any shadow or cast, at least not any more than all my other highlighters do. So I'm gonna take the shade Mail Order, which is the dark brown in this palette. And I am going to put this right under, oh, you know what I forgot to do too? That was irrelevant, sorry. I am just gonna shade it. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer, more bronzery shade for me. And I am just going to blend that out. I've been noticing too, the less eyeshadow that I put under my eyes, the less they crease, because I just have naturally just really creasy lids, or like under eyes, just when I smile. Yeah, I'm gonna be a creasy old lady. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna apply some lashes, and then we can come back and go over the lip stuff. Oh, mascara. I also got a mascara from them. Let me see, where is it? The Mad Lash. Let's see. Let's do it. Ooh, okay. Dig the wand. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I like that. Wow, shitballs, I really like that mascara. Usually I really don't have too much of a preference as long as the like wand is good, but like, let's see if you guys could see that. Length, they did not clump, it is black. So the lashes I decided to go to are the My Lash Lab lashes in the style Le Amour. These are super pretty. I cut the ends off of them because they were a bit too long. I'm like, damn, these are like the perfect pair now. So I'm gonna do swatches of these on my hand because I don't want to keep wiping them off, but they are the minis, which are super cute, still get a lot in here. So I'll just do these on the back of my hand real quick. So this is the first new shade, which is called Fierce, which is kind of like a plummy purple color, really pretty, like that. Next up we have Adoring. That's more red. This one's more purple, this one's more red. Yeah, you can see that. Next up we have Trustworthy. I suck at doing these swatches, man. Ooh, I think this is the one I might wear today. Pretty, feels very smooth and buttery on my hand. So this is a new, this purple one's a new shade, and then this one is the shade Confident, which is also a new shade. Ooh, that's like, this is like my perfect like nudie color, like the pinks. I really like the pinks, it's nice, really nice. Next one is Committed. Ooh, too much. Too much, girl, too much. You're wasting it in this little mini here. So this one's more peach, this one's more mauve. And last one is the shade Generous. I did notice too, something that I wanted to mention when I did wear this yesterday was that it dried down just a tint darker than I thought it was going to. So this is also a new shade. I kind of want to do the pink one. This is the shade Committed. This is the one I'm going to use. So usually I would wear a lip liner under this to kind of give the edges like a little bit of a darkness to it, and then, you know, fade it into the middle. But I just want you guys to see just how beautiful this color is on its own. It kind of has like a mentholy, minty kind of vibe to it at first, but it does not feel like plumping or like Too Faced lip injection or anything crazy like that. Just the slightest hint of like a freshness, you know what I mean? So that is going to complete today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed me playing around with my new The Balm Cosmetics goodies. I was just so excited and anxious to film this video. So even though I filmed yesterday, which I never filmed 2 days in a row, I was like, I am going to sit my ass down and play with some of this makeup, because I really am just so grateful to anybody who, like, you guys have no idea how much it means to me when you watch my videos and comment and like, and then for brands to see me and be like, wow, I want her to use my makeup. Like, wow, that's just such an amazing feeling, and I'm just so grateful. So with that being said, you guys definitely should check out the Balm Cosmetics. I 100% recommend the mascara. The liner's nice, dries down matte. I'm not having any issues with it, but I do like the mascara like the best. So I'm like, damn, this palette is really awesome. I really appreciate that it is recyclable, and I really appreciate that they kind of took some out of all the palettes and made one big palette out of it. That's really cool. This could be used on the eyes or the face. Really like that. The lip products are really nice. I've been trying to like grow my lip collection, so having all these different types of nudes, I'm really happy to have all of these in my collection now. So you guys should definitely check them out. And that is going to conclude today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like me and if you like my content. And without further ado, we're gonna go right on ahead. Roll the clip.